In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce CRM effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or needing a refresher, this guide will help you navigate through some essential setup steps swiftly and efficiently. To start, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage. You'll find the login section neatly positioned on the top right corner of the screen. Hover your cursor over it and you'll see options related to logging in. Select Salesforce from these choices to proceed on your journey toward mastering the platform. Next, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account. If you haven't done this before, be sure to have your login credentials ready, as these are crucial for accessing Salesforce's array of powerful tools. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage, a central hub for all your activities. In the top right corner again, you'll notice an option labeled Quick Settings. Clicking this will reveal a variety of settings to choose from, designed to enhance your user experience. It's important to take a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they can dramatically improve your workflow. Following that, click on Open Advanced Setup from the Quick Settings menu. This particular option allows you to delve deeper into the customization and configuration options that Salesforce offers. With this, you can tailor the platform to better fit your specific business needs or personal preferences. In Advanced Setup, you'll notice a search bar titled Quick Find. Here you can type in CRM to filter out all the features and settings specifically related to CRM functionalities. This little step conveniently narrows down your options to only the CRM relevant ones, saving you both time and effort. Once you've typed in CRM and located it, click on Salesforce CRM Content. This section is especially crucial if you're aiming to capitalize on Salesforce's content management capabilities. It will lead you to a dedicated area where CRM content management functionalities are at your fingertips. Now you'll see an option to enable Salesforce CRM Content. By activating this option, you unlock a suite of functionalities to better manage and organize your business content. It's an important step if your workflow relies heavily on content management, as it streamlines data access and sharing. Finally, don't forget to click Save to make sure all of your changes and the enabling of features are stored. All too often we make adjustments only to lose them by not saving properly. So ensure you complete this final step to lock in all the modifications you've made. And there you have it, a brief and effective way to get started with Salesforce CRM. By following these steps, you've set the foundation for using Salesforce efficiently, paving the way for greater productivity and business success. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforcing.